Code ScorchX, look at that. That code looks so small when it's next to the ScorchX, doesn't it? It's actually got more rocker, the code does, but not here. Here's where the ScorchX rocker. It drops off of that. That's probably what happened to you. You came down, then it's transitioned up. I love this part from here back. Yeah. I love how that thing transitions back.
It's really nice how it grabs right here. Like you can really like drop it and let it grab it. But it's loose.
What I like is that it's widest at the head.
Turbo boosters?
Yeah. Turbo pushers. So what'd you run yesterday in it?
Silver Run Falls.
Silver Run Falls, which is what, 60-foot kind of broken top ledge, right?
About 60.
From top to bottom. Yeah, from top to bottom.
60,
and a 10-foot, you definitely have first descent in a boat over 9 foot off of it.
I would not advise that shit.
He will not advise it.
Not advise that
He
shit.
said he lost, and ladies, he lost an inch, just so you know. In his back, the Treemont, in the code. So that's Thunderhead prong, that's Lindcamp prong. They come together to form Treemont. And this level's like a low medium to me. Woo, it's been a while. Hey, yeah! Oh, this boat's so good. Oh, he got an edge. He caught an edge. I seen it. Stay straight. I'm really liking how this boat handles this southeast style stuff. ScorchX coming through. Oh, I took him. That's the line. Not right on that rock. Yeah, the tree tap. Oh, it's so fun, dude. So Superman booth is in. hit it a few times. You see where it's piling on the rock on the left right there?
We're about 5 or 6 feet
Stay
to the right.
kind of center, and then I want to be about maybe
5 feet to the right. Huh?
about, yeah, 3 to 5 feet.
Okay. 3 to 5.
The thing is, it wants to kick you left. You get kicked left, just go left.
Okay. Hold a little right angle until you come off, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm gonna run the boot with him. Ready?
Ooh, yeah. Whoa! Yeah! Nailed it, Roy. Nailed it. That's a hard one to hit. Cost about $360 to a ScorchX kit. I think there's a good hole right here to boop over. I think it's a boop in the center. Yeah! This one's a little tricky rapid. A lot of kind of eddies. You can blaze it, but it's better to eddy out. Lines hug that flake rock. Drop down beside that flake rock. Just don't go left of the flake. Dude, I really like this boat a lot. Dude, coming out of that eddy stout because that hole, I had to ferry over the curler. Yeah, once I got in that eddy, I was like, well, fuck, that's a big curler.
Yeah, I thought
It's probably a little too high for that eddy. I figured I could come out and splat that rock and let my bow right off of it. But as soon as I did, I went down in the trough and I was like, woo!
I mean, I tried to like follow and say what you did and go right. I just kind of like dropped into a side surf over the.
But you went out, didn't it? Yeah. It goes better than it looks.
Yeah.
Dude, yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks for making the rally, dude.